I'm gonna tell you right now, dog, 99% of being a good recording artist is you gotta get your bedroom sexy on sometime a little bit.
Yeah.
So 2 things that I'm trying to accomplish, right? I'm trying to sing as terrible as I can, and number 2, use as much auto-tune as we possibly can.
Yeah.
She want them diamond rings, she crave designer things, I can't afford them things, yeah. Told her hold on to me, you know it's more to me, I haven't reached my peak, yeah. Alright, so that's hard. We're gonna see how that sound, we're gonna lay the verses, and then we're gonna see how that sound all together. Also, I need to lay the hook in one more spot. You can't copy and paste on Spire Studio, so I'm gonna lay the hook in the 1 or 2 more spots that need to be laid in.
Yeah.
Them diamond rings, she crave designer things, I can't afford them things, yeah. Told her hold on to me, you know it's more to me, I haven't reached my peak, yeah. As you can see here, hook, that's the main vocal, that's my my underneath vocal. So that's my main vocal on track 2, and on track 3, that's my underneath vocal that I'm gonna put reverb on, and the reverb that I like to choose, Intimate Space Vibes. I don't keep it on these settings, but that's what I like. Layer 1, layer 2 layer. Sometimes it take more than that. This layer down here is highlights and ad libs for the hook. So as you can see, it line up with that, and I've also done it for the verses too. So that's all I do. Oh, shit, it's about to die. Basically all I do to get my sound when it comes to the hook on my main layer, ad-lib layer, a supporting vocal with reverb. So if you want to see me do it live, let me know down in the comments below. I got a couple live videos on my channel already with it, so I'm gonna put the link in the description down below for those videos so you can watch me doing it live. And if you want to see me doing it live, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll do it again for y'all. You already know what it is. It's your boy Westbrook in the studio. Yeah. Peace. All right, there we go. Good on you, mate.